There are many different types of causes for construction accidents: improper equipment, improper supervision, general sloppiness at the construction site, and there are many different people that can be held responsible if someone is injured in a construction site. The most common types of accidents at construction sites are falls. Either fall from a height, fall on the job because somebody tripped over materials that were left out. Other types of accidents that cause significant injuries are defective equipment. People can lose limbs as a result of equipment not working properly. Types of injuries from construction accidents can range from sprains and strains to losing a limb to dying. There are many potential individuals or companies that can be found at fault in construction accident cases. It could be the owner of the property. It can be the person who's hiring the contractor if it's not the owner. It could be the general contractor or any one of the subcontractors who are working on the job site. People who are injured on a construction site will generally file a workers' compensation claim. Workers' compensation claim will compensate them for their medical expenses as well as their wages for the time they're out of work. They can also make a claim, what's called a third-party action, against the actual person or company who is at fault for their injuries, for their pain and suffering, for their out-of-pocket medical expenses, for their lost wages that are not covered by workers' comp. They can also make a claim for their pain and suffering in the future, and for their future cost of medical expenses and for their future lost wages. Our firm has handled numerous construction accident cases through the course of our career. The attorneys in this firm have over 100 years combined experience, and we have defended these types of cases representing large corporations. We used to represent a big mall that is known nationwide and worldwide, and we have defended these cases as well as representing individuals who are injured on construction sites. We've taken these cases from intake and we've settled cases pre-suit. We've settled cases during the course of litigation, and we have tried numerous cases. Clients come to us in several ways. A lot of clients are referred by their friends or people they know. A lot of clients come to us because they are referred by other attorneys, and a lot of clients find us online. However they come to us, the reason they hire us is because of our experience. We are responsive, we make them feel comfortable, and we gain their trust. Our current and our past clients would say our firm fights hard. We fight hard from the beginning. We keep them informed throughout the process. We are responsive to their needs. When they call or they email, we get back to them immediately. And when they call the office, they will always speak to a live person. And I find a lot of people appreciate that as opposed to having to dial in through voicemail. Client communication, especially in personal injury cases, is essential. And it is the key to succeeding in any one of these cases and every one of these cases. Because in order for us to succeed in doing our job, the client has to know what's going on. The client has to know what's expected of them. And we do that. We tell the clients from the initial intake what the process is, what we expect of them, and what they should expect from us. The Rizzuto Law Firm is a small firm, but we're not a solo firm. We have several attorneys that work here. All the attorneys are capable of handling cases from intake through trial. We've all tried cases. We're all capable of trying cases, and the insurance companies know that we are a litigation firm and we will go to trial if we're not presented with a fair offer. The advantage of hiring a firm like us is every person in the firm, whether it's the support staff or the attorneys, is virtually familiar with every case that's in our office. We have a case management system that we can all access in order to answer any questions if a client calls and the person who is assigned to the file is unavailable. One other main advantage of hiring our firm and a firm of this size, but specifically our firm, is that our staff has worked together for a long time. We've had attorneys here for over 20 years that started when they were in law school. We've had support staff that have been here 15, 20, and over 25 years. During an initial consultation for construction accident case, the clients will be explained what the process is from intake through resolution. They will be told what is expected of them. We will find out whether or not they've had a workers' comp claim or if they've hired a workers' compensation attorney. If not, we will discuss the options that are available to them. We will explain to them what they can expect from us and as a firm. We will give them an idea of how long the process will take and what they need to do in order to make this a successful endeavor.